Let's be honest, not all leaders are comfortable with technology. Most of us come from finance, legal, or operations background. So when we hear terms like APIs or TLS encryption, we nod and quietly panic. This module is going to fix that. You don't need to code, but you do need to understand how tech works. Because in banking and fintech, every decision now has a digital angle. We'll walk through the core building blocks, the jargons, the layers, the networks, all in plain English for business leaders who need clarity, not complexity. Technology might seem complex, but it's just a stack of layers, like a sandwich. Let's break it down. At the bottom is compute, computers or cloud servers that run your systems. Then comes storage, where your data is saved, like on hard drives or in the cloud. Next is networking, how everything connects. This includes firewalls, VPNs, and APIs. At the top is software, where users see banking applications, trading platform, etc. In fintech, most of this runs on the cloud. One company might use Stripe for payments, AWS for storage, and APIs to connect it all. If just one layer is weak, like open storage or unprotected networks, attackers can get in easily. So, knowing the layers helps you see where the risks are. Now think of sending a letter. You need a return address, a route, and a destination. That's how devices talk using networks. Every phone, laptop, or ATM has an IP address, like a digital home. When someone uses a banking application, their request travels through a router, the internet, secure tunnels like VPNs or TLS, into the cloud platform of a bank or fintech. In finance, this path must be secure. Payment APIs must be encrypted. Applications shouldn't directly connect to databases. Firewalls and monitoring tools should catch suspicious activity. One real case in 2023, a lender's transport layer security TLS certificate expired. It caused a data breach just because a security setting wasn't updated. Good network hygiene may seem basic, but it's critical to keep financial data safe. Today, leaders must understand basic technology, even if they are not from IT. Why? Because most big decisions now depend upon tech. Should we launch a new payment product? Can we trust an AI vendor with customer data? What if our cloud provider goes down? These are not just IT issues, they are business risks. And leaders need to feel confident asking the right question. In fact, regulators expect it. In the UK, the Financial Conduct Authority says boards must own cyber and resilient risk. In Singapore, MAS expect directors to understand technology risk. In EU, DORA makes firm leadership directly responsible for managing ICT risk. You don't need to write code, just like a CEO doesn't need to prepare financial reports. But you must understand enough to lead, question, and govern because you can't manage what you do not understand.